Welcome to Pydle Day 54. Pydle is your daily puzzle that you need to solve by writing Python code. Today's Pydle is a percent symbol, so have a go at solving that. If you haven't played Pydle before, I will now solve yesterday's Pydle for you to get a flavor of how to solve it. So follow along, go to pydle.net to play. Okay, I think we're going to make it easier for ourselves if we use Cartesian coordinates. So let's just do a loop to give us all the coordinates for the puzzle. So this is called list comprehension, where you create a new list from an existing sequence. So the x is going to be I modulus 5 minus 1, minus 2, sorry, that's for Cartesian coordinates, and I integer division 5 minus 2. And this is our range. Okay, so it's going to create a new list from that sequence with our Cartesian coordinates for every pixel. Okay, let's do the corners first. So we do if absolute value, and that one is absolute value of x times y. So in the corner, that's going to be 4. Okay, and then we do Pydle x comma y. Now you'd need to do x plus 2, and 2 minus y, and white. Okay, so that should be our 4 corners. And then we need a second if. That's going to be the rest of the puzzle. The reason we use Cartesian coordinates is this diagonal. We can easily now test for that. So it must be x not equal to y, because that is going to be on the diagonal. And so we only need to fill in this small block in the middle. So you're going to say, and that's kind of minus 1 to plus 1 on both the x and the y. So you're going to say, and absolute value of x less than 2, and absolute value of y less than 2. Okay, and then we can do Pydle x plus 2, 2 minus y, and white. Okay, that should solve our puzzle, and it does. Okay, have a go at solving today's Pydle 54. Come back tomorrow for the solution.